Hello everyone, my name is Tim Hondred. I'm here just to show you that by creating my YouTube channel. My channel is very small, called 100 DIY. And just about over 2 months now I'm receiving a free gift from Luxe. After I post a video, they send me a free gift. So I'm gonna open this up. So I haven't opened it. As you can see, it's all sealed up now. And it's up. And thank you, Luxe Bidet, that sent me a free gift. Up here. Put up. Wow, very nice. And this is a kind of gold Luxe Bidet, and the model on this is the Neo 185 Plus. Thank you very much, Luxe. I very appreciate it. This is, as you know, this is the Luxe Bidet that it doesn't have any required electrical outlet on this, so you can actually use, will save a lot of paper towel, toilet paper, that if you were to use this the bidet. And thank you very much, Bidet, from Luxe, that provide this unit to me. And I just want to tell you that I'm pretty new creating the YouTube video, and I'm just looking at, I just started the YouTube video, this channel, November 15, 2024. And so I have about 100 hours now, and thank you everyone for watching, and about 61 subscribers that been created for over 2 months. So as you know, it's not about the view as well. My view is still low. Haven't hit over 1,000 view yet, so it's pretty small. And I would suggest just keep doing the video. Doesn't matter you got less view or high view. I mean, there's all the people that will contact email you directly, and just make sure that you provide your email address in your YouTube channel. Just make sure and about us. That way they will contact you. So for just start over 2 months now, and also got a contact from Samudra Bidet. I haven't reviewed the product yet. Now they sent me an email just yesterday, and I'm gonna waiting for the product, and we'll also do a review as well. So there could be a lot of more coming, and I'm very happy that starting this channel. And I'm pretty new to creating a content, so I'm working on to improve my speech. Hopefully in the future, maybe in the next couple of years, I will start getting better and trying to do more video every week. And just to let you know that my background is coming from IT support. I've been doing computer about 15 years now. When I was after high school, start helping doing a volunteer work. At the church, at the temple, and at a friend's house, cousin, and that's how I learned about doing computer. And I don't have any much, experience doing the DIY stuff until my house got remodeled, and then I've been working with the friends and trying to do something my own as well there too. And that's how I learned a little bit about DIY stuff. I mean, there's a lot of product I might not know as well, especially doing this bidet. And just look at the manual a little bit, and also there's all the people did the video as well that did a demo, and I watch as well in case if I look at the manual might take a little bit of time, then I might look other people's video too. So it could be a different things, like some of my channel that I mentioned, I could make some money by buying or getting a free let's say ice maker. I pick it up and then I fix it by looking as well as a YouTube channel and make a video, and I could make a $200 by just buying like a $20-$30 pot. So this could be a lot of things that encourage everyone. You can do it as yourself. If you have any knowledge, it could be one video could rival, and you can get monetized with YouTube faster. So I'm very small. I just started my channel here about November 15, 2024. It's about like I've been about 100 hours now that everyone watching my channel. So I very appreciate it and taking your time watching it. And thank you for the subscriber that I had about 61. Hopefully it can grow more in the future. And I was trying to start making, video every week for everyone as well there too. And also I would, appreciate with Luxe Bidet that sent me this free gift, and I would love this. And also some Wondra that just got an email from them yesterday. They interested me to do a product review. So just in about more than 2 months, a little bit there, I already got two company that want me to do a product demo. Hopefully maybe some more in the future as well. And that's why I'm not worried about the view in my channel. I probably have less than 1,000 views in some of the video. Haven't gone up that much yet. So this is all it. I'm looking forward to work with you, and hopefully I will successful everyone as well that watching my channel. You can do the same, and just remember that if you don't know, just keep learning as you can now. You can train your kids or anyone in the family. You have some skill, put it up. You never know. This one day it can be one of the video may become successful, or anybody can reach you as well. So, all right, thank you and appreciate it, and looking forward to you guys able to become successful as well. Thank you. Hello everyone, I'm here just to show you how to search marketplace, Facebook marketplace, see any listing that for cheap or probably might be free. And normally I would look for something that is cheap and then or free, buy it, and you can also resell it. And here's what I'm going to show you is what you need to do. Just you can open your Chrome browser, or I can use Opera. It's free browser. And this is my Facebook page, and all you have to do is just click on marketplace. So this is facebook.com. make sure you go facebook.com, log in, and then click on marketplace. Okay, you can find out a lot of stuff that is for sale, pretty good price, used. Some you might can find brand new as well. And you can do this method. You can search by city. Right now it's in San Francisco, so let's say if I want to use different city, for example, or maybe in Stockton. Okay, I'm gonna go Stockton here. Okay, and then click apply. So now you're gonna change to Stockton. Let me make sure that I don't think I hit OK yet. So make sure you click Stockton. Okay, Stockton, California city. Okay, and then you hit apply. Make sure you hit apply. Okay, that you see it will change it. And by looking at that, you can go how many miles from Stockton, the radius that you can go range from. Okay, I'm gonna click apply. So I'm gonna pick a city called Stockton just to test that, and browse. And you can filter. Let's say I want to look for free stuff. Type in free in the search here. You click free. Now you can see all the listing for free. And it's catchy. Someday we'll put $1 here, but when you open it, it might not be $1. It could be a different price. So you just want to make sure that you look at it, the description, the condition as well. See, no rip, no tear. So, and you might find a good price, especially during the winter. People probably sell a lot of patio stuff, and you can maybe buy it and save for the summer. You can make some extra money there. Okay, that's an example here. So there's tons of free you can buy, and there's a case for Chromebook, a printer, and you want to make sure that you can also see what are the listing might fit a lot of people when you do a search, like stuff that people buy. And you can also filter the price. Let's say price max up to $50. Okay, so I hit enter that. And then you can, let's say, search for claw machine, for example. Claw machine. And then you filter the price, see price range minimum. Okay, and then you hit enter. So it might be, so all the stuff here you can see, so on the $50. Okay, and there's some that's free. You can find it's free as well, but just make sure you click on it. And so that's the method. And then you can also filter by local pickup or shipping. Normally I do local pickup if I just want to get right away instead of waiting. So this all the few stuff is on sale through Facebook Marketplace. And I can filter different city by going click here, see filter. Now I'm gonna go San Francisco this time. San Francisco. See when you put just sand, it will filter San Francisco. And hit apply. Now, San Francisco doesn't mean it will show San Francisco, but remember you have a radius of 40 miles, and it can go different area there too. So you can see Palo Alto, and Pleasanton. So this all the one. And if you look at this here, this is not actually, it's not free. So this is just, if you read this description, they just want to put it in your shop. And you can make some money if you have a shop. You're gonna do a partnership with them. So make sure looking at the description carefully. If you see $0 free, there could be an advertise that they want to put in your business. You have a business, I mean, you can make some money as well, or you can buy your own and put in your own stuff and animal. Okay. Now, let's say I want to basically search, total free. I can just put free on the top here. You can see a lot of stuff listing, more stuff here that you can think that it will fit your need. You can see here's a Cupid shelf that you might need it for your shoe or anything else here too. Maybe some other stuff that you can put, Cupid shelf. And see a lot of stuff here that you can, you can get that, for free. But make sure you click on this, open the ad. That is very free by looking at the description. You can see here, please read carefully, broken pieces. So you see broken pieces, I mean, if you can repair yourself or buy the piece of wood, paint it up, I mean, that will work as well. I mean, it's just something that you can do some small DIY work, like I did for the, the ice maker. If it's broken, you can buy a repair. Remember, you can't expect too much, the price is free, and, just buy it and repair it. So there's a lot of few stuff you can buy, and I normally filter local pickup. Condition, you can filter your own condition as well, but don't expect that free. You might have a good condition, so I'll just leave it all blank on that. And availability, the best way I would check is if you want to see what item is popular. Even you can also filter by sold. Okay. And this is all free already, but people, you can see, oh wow, Dyson heater is free. And I mean, for this unit here, basically, you can sell for at least $100. But they're saying this Dyson heater is 5 years old and keep airing out. Changing the filter, resetting doesn't work. It probably fixable. Okay, I mean, this is a good price. I mean, you can buy it. Maybe look online, look at the error code. Look at Dyson website and YouTube. People might be able to fix this error, and as long that the heat is still working, as long as it's turned on, I mean, it might be easy fix. Okay, and I'm gonna close this out. So there's a lot of all the stuff you can see people bought, and it's free. And if you want to search it free, let's say for example, and I will put up what is sold. Let's say what are the popular stuff? I could say router. Okay, internet router. Okay. It's all internet router here, and so I didn't put the price. I mean, prices. I'm gonna fill it as sold. So I'm gonna show it sold. And these are the popular, stuff that is sold right now, and then put a price max on this, so that way you can give you an idea what are people searching right now that is sold. You can see this router is $150, and some is $15. So just scroll down, and then if you find a free one or something cheaper, you can just post and resell back. Okay, I'm gonna filter this back availability, put available, and I can put it to all. Good things about Facebook, you can buy local or have them ship. It's depending on how much is the shipping is, and if you want to basically buy just go get it right away, then you can filter local pickup. So there's a lot of stuff that you can look around. That's normally what I do in the spare time after work, on the weekend. Look for something for free, buy it, fix it. If it's cheap, $5-10, I can repair as well. See what it is need. Like this one here, free LG TV. And I mean, if you plan to resell back, it might be a little bit tough depending on how old is the TV is. I mean, it could be 10 years old. Then it might be not worth it, because if you try to sell for $100. So, but this one is free working on LG TV, but it lost remote. I mean, when you look at it, I mean, it's not bad for this price. So, still in a good condition. So maybe you can pick it up. And it might be not a smart TV, but don't expect that. This is free. They might provide you, or you can. I mean, it just matter that they have some time to respond back. Some seller might take a little bit of time to get back. If it look like if I go back, I'm sorry, yeah. If I go back and look into the good shape, I mean, I don't see any scratch or anything wrong in the description. But besides, there's no bad pixel. I mean, I will get it. I mean, this is a good TV that you can pick it up there, and it's free. All right, so this is just my basic, video, and just anything else that you have any question, please subscribe my channel, and hopefully I will do some more video every week when I have time. And this is just I normally do this kind of search if I want to get a free stuff or buy something cheap. You can also resell back as well, or you can even use it there. I mean it's just basically is a good price if you want to get it. All right, thank you.